Did you know that in 2024, there are over 46 million XRP wallets in existence? And yet, only a handful of these wallets are considered top tier when it comes to security, user experience, and features. Today, we're talking about the top 5 Ripple XRP wallets, digging into their pros, their cons, their key features, and even what real users have to say about them. What are XRP wallets? In case you're familiar, XRP wallets are just like any digital wallet, but instead of storing physical currency, it stores your XRP. There are 2 keys, a public key and a private key. The public key is like your email address. You can share it with others so they can send you XRP. The private key, on the other hand, is like the password to your email account. It allows you to access and manage your XRP. 97% of crypto users believe that maintaining control over their private keys is crucial. Why? Because if you lose your private keys, you lose access to your XRP. XRP wallets are essential for security, transfers, and trading. And just like you wouldn't leave your physical wallet lying around, you wouldn't want to be careless with your XRP wallet either. How to choose? Okay, before we talk about the top 5 and everything, we need to understand how to choose the right wallet. I mean, you need to have control over your private keys, a user-friendly interface, an active development community, backup and recovery options, and a solid reputation. Some wallets have interfaces that would make a rocket scientist scratch their head. So, of course, you want a wallet that's easy to use with clear instructions and an intuitive design. After all, you don't want to accidentally send your XRP to the wrong address because the interface was confusing. That would be like sending a text meant for your best friend to your boss. Awkward! Next, an active development community means regular updates, quick bug fixes, and new features. Backup and recovery options are also crucial because, let's face it, we all lose things from time to time. Keys, phones, wallets, but losing your XRP wallet? That's a nightmare you don't want to experience. Good wallets provide backup and recovery options. So even if you lose your device, you won't lose your XRP. Lastly, the reputation factor. You want a wallet that's been tried and tested with positive reviews and a solid track record. Top 5 Ripple XRP wallets. Alright, now let's get to the thing you've been waiting for. We've handpicked the top 5 Ripple XRP wallets for you. Let's start with Ledger. It offers 2 options, the Ledger Nano S Plus and the Ledger Nano X. The Nano S Plus is priced at $79. I mean, it's affordable, it's reliable, and it gets the job done. This little device packs a punch when it comes to security. It has a secure chip and a custom operating system. But what if you want a little more? Well, that's where the Ledger Nano X comes in. Priced at $150, it's got all the features of the Nano S Plus, but with added connectivity options and storage space. In the market, the Ledger wallets are known for their security, but they're not just about keeping your XRP safe. They're also about making your life easier. With an intuitive interface and a mobile app, managing your XRP is a breeze. Some users have reported issues with the Ledger Live software. However, most of the reviews are positive. Users love the security features and the sleek design. Next up is Trust Wallet. It's like the Swiss Army knife of crypto wallets. It's versatile, reliable, and it's got a tool for just about everything. Need to store your XRP? Check. Want to trade on the go? Check. Looking for a built-in Web3 browser for dApps? Check. Today, Trust Wallet is one of the top 5 most popular wallets among crypto users. And it's not hard to see why. With its user-friendly interface and robust security features, it's a hit with both beginners and seasoned crypto enthusiasts. As for user reviews, they're a mixed bag. Some users swear by Trust Wallet, praising its ease of use, simplicity, versatility, and wide range of features. But on the downside, some users feel that there's room for improvement, particularly when it comes to customer support. The third on our list is Atomic Wallet. It's not as well known as some of the other wallets, but it's got some really unique features that set it apart. Atomic Wallet has an incredibly good and user-friendly interface. Pretty intuitive as a high-end sports car. It also packs a punch when it comes to features. It supports over 300 cryptocurrencies, offers in-app buying and selling, staking, and even has a built-in exchange. Currently, Atomic Wallet is one of the top 10 most popular wallets among crypto users. On the plus side, users love its versatility and ease of use. But on the downside, some users have reported issues with the exchange feature. Moving on, we have Exodus Wallet. This one brings a lot to the table. Features like staking, swapping, multi-platform support, and integration with Trezor hardware wallets. If you don't know, staking in the world of crypto is like earning interest on your savings account. You hold on to your crypto and in return, you earn rewards. It's a win-win situation. Who wouldn't want that? The swapping feature, on the other hand, is like having a built-in currency exchange in your wallet. You can swap one type of crypto for another, all within the app. Okay, the multi-platform support surely gives it an edge. Whether you're an Android fan, an Apple aficionado, or a Windows warrior, Exodus Wallet has got you covered. Here, let's not forget about the integration with Trezor hardware wallets. You can store your crypto offline in a Trezor wallet for added security and still manage it through the Exodus interface. Some users swear by Exodus Wallet, praising its ease of use, its versatility, and wide range of features. But others feel that there's room for improvement, particularly when it comes to the exchange rates. Okay, for the fifth one, we have Trezor. It's one of the pioneers in the hardware wallet industry, and it's got a reputation that's hard to beat. It comes with two options, Premium Model T and the mid-range Safe 3. The Premium Model T is priced at $179, and it's got a color touchscreen, an intuitive interface, and supports over 1,000 coins. The mid-range Safe 3 option is less expensive, priced at only $79. It may not have all the bells and whistles of the Model T, but it's still reliable, secure, and gives you some unique features. On the plus side, users love its security, giving it 9/10, and reviews are mostly great. On the downside, some users have reported issues with the setup process. It's a bit complicated, but once done, trust me, it's worth it. Bonus wallets. Alright, if you've stuck around till the end, we've got a special treat for you. We have two bonus wallets, Edge and Toast. Edge Wallet is all about simplicity and security. It provides an above-average security with some exciting features. Toast Wallet, however, is more reliable, user-friendly, and it's got a warm, welcoming vibe. Let me just mention here that Toast Wallet is a free, open-source XRP wallet which has been around since 2017. Both of these wallets are in the top 20 most popular wallets among crypto users in 2024. As for user reviews, people like their simplicity. But there have been some reports about the lack of the advanced features of other wallets. Of course, which makes sense. Okay, so we've covered the top XRP wallets in the market, their features, pros, cons, and even some bonus wallets. Now, it's time to choose the best one. If you're a beginner, you might want to start with Trust Wallet. It's user-friendly, versatile, and it's got a tool for just about everything. Plus, it's free, which is always a bonus when you're just starting out. Like we mentioned earlier, some users have reported issues with customer support. So if you're the kind of person who likes to have a safety net, this might be something to consider. For the pros out there, Ledger might be your best bet. I mean, just look at the reviews. Yes, it's a bit pricier, with the Ledger Nano S Plus priced at $79 and the Ledger Nano X at $150. But come on, can you really put a price on security? With a secure chip and a custom operating system, it's like having a personal bodyguard for your XRP. Keep in mind that some users have reported issues with the Ledger Live software. So, if you're not tech-savvy, you might find it a bit challenging. As for the budget-conscious, the Exodus Wallet is a solid choice. Yes, it's free, and it's user-friendly, and it's got some cool features like staking and swapping. Some users have reported issues with the exchange rates. So if you're planning to do a lot of trading, this might be something to consider. Okay, for those who value versatility, Atomic Wallet is worth a look. It supports over 300 cryptocurrencies and offers in-app buying and selling. But if you're planning to do a lot of swapping, keep in mind there are some reports about the exchange feature. So, take your time to consider it. And that's a wrap. So, have you used any of these wallets? What was your experience like? Do you have a favorite wallet that we didn't mention? Drop your comments below. Before you go, don't forget to check out our recent video on Rippleverse Swift, the battle for global payment dominance. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.